This video is entirely shot with the Nikon Z7. High-tech fans, bienvenue to my channel. Please have a seat, look intensively into your screen because this video is entirely shot with the professional Nikon Z7. And before we jump into the subject, if you're new here, my name is Céline, I'm a TV journalist. If you enjoy watching high-tech reviews, tutorials and sometimes vlogs, you should consider subscribing. Mais oui, abonne-toi. Voilà, I won't talk much today, I'll let you watch the footage. And that's it for this week's video. I will see you very soon for another great video about Nikon. In the meantime, if you enjoyed my company, click on the thumbs up button just down on dessous, below. Give me a high five. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. Take care, stay healthy, enjoy the bouquet behind me, and I will see you next Monday. Salut!